the Desert Southwest region by Ivan or
Jasmine.
It is it.
The Southwest I messed up. Southwest Desert Region by IIJ.
Animals such as mule deer, raccoons, pronghorns, American black bears, desert cottontails live there.
The tribes that live there on that side are Apache, Hopi, Navajo, Pueblo, Zuni, and they ate corn, rice, beans, and squash. Some of these tribes wore those kind of shoes they made. When it was winter, it was cold. They wore leg shirts and moleskins. So some of them would make blankets, clothes, and rugs to trade or to keep.
The tribes such as the Hopi tribe used to have the Hopi soil ceremony. When it was the shortest day of the year, they would symbolize the second phase of the creation at the dawn of life. The Skinwalker. The Skinwalker is one of the most mysterious monsters at the Southwest Desert. They have a ranch named after it. It is called the Skinwalker Ranch, and that ranch is the most mysterious ranch in the U.S. The Skinwalker is a witch that can shapeshift into coyotes, cow, fox, or owl. It is said that the Skinwalker can take any form that it desires.
When the tribe were still around, they would build houses for them and their family. Their houses used to look like apartment-looking houses made out of clay or houses made out of wood and birch.
Their location, where they lived, were in Arizona, New Mexico, Utah, and Colorado. When the weather was cold, they wore clothing made from deerskin, sheepskin, and wool. The clothes were very colorful. They loved silver jewelry decorated with turquoise and wore a lot of it, and it was hot. When it was hot, they wore less clothes.
The climate. The average rainfall is 4 to 12 inches per year, and it hardly receives any snow at all. Their average temperature is 50 to 70 degrees in the winter. 70 degrees is when it would be cold.
The storms. In the night, when it would be raining, there would be lightning. There would be sandstorms and other storms in the night, tornadoes, and more. Sometimes the sandstorms would be so sandy that you can see nothing unless but the sand, and some of it would go in your eyes. Thank you for listening to our presentation.
When the tribes were still around, they would build houses for them and their family.
Their houses used to look like the apartment-looking houses made out of clay, or houses made out of wood and birch.
They would kind of make sand houses on top of each other, like clay or something. They would live there. But we decided to use paper because clay was too hard. Thank you for listening to our presentation.